Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to Parco Astichello in Vicenza. Okay, let's go. There are some little streets in the sides and I am sure that people are doing something not legal there, so don't go to this side. Continue to follow this path and keep go and enjoy what you see. I've seen that there is also a kind of a river to the left side, but I didn't find a spot where I can enjoy it for good yet. But let's see, let's continue to walk and let's see what will happen in this adventure. It's getting windy, the leaves are falling. It's beautiful. I love it. Yeah, we are liking this park. We are liking it. Especially Sunny. She's so tired that she don't even want to walk. So I'm gonna hold her in my arms and we will continue this adventure. Oh, look. They're so beautiful. What a beautiful experience to stay in nature. It makes me feel home. It's beautiful. Okay guys, this is this park. It's a little park, but it's good to relax. So there are also some trees, you can sit on them and to draw or to take some pictures around, just to read a book, to relax, to take your time, your alone time. And I will enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. Don't forget to like, to share and to subscribe and to hit the bell. Support me, my channel, my drawings and my adventures. Take care of yourself. Ciao and meow.